Hello friends, welcome to my channel NAILART. Today we will make a chic spring design using stamping. I will need the milk and purple gel polish stamping plus gold foil. You can also use a milk gel base instead of milk gel polish. So let's begin. Apply milk gel polish to the prepared tips and dry in a lamp for 30 seconds. Then use purple gel polish to create a gradient. Remove stickiness. Next we use stamping. We print the flower in black on two tips. Then cover with milk gel polish and dry for 30 seconds. Remove stickiness. Next we will work in reverse technique. For a good imprint of the design of the tip, coat the tip with a primer. We take color stamping varnishes and paint the lily. Next, we print the flower onto the tip. Next, we complement the design with gold foil and also added a little top with black dots. Cover everything with top coat and dry for 60 seconds. This is such a chic spring design I come up with. I hope you liked the results. Well, NAILART was with you. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck to all. Bye bye.